of the first mod I did is the aluminum pedal set. Let me show you some pictures on that. So as you can see here, this is what the factory pedals look like, and I just really don't like the way it looks. It just doesn't look very sporty, so I went ahead and replaced it with the Ren line. As you can see there, the other good thing with this mod is reversible, so I can easily remove it and put it back to factory, which helps on resale. I did have to drill a couple holes, but if you put back the factory cover, you won't see that. So this is what it looks like right there. This is what I did. So I replaced as you can see there. Okay, that's the other mods. Let's go on to the next mods real quick. So that cost a couple $100 for parts. Again, I did the labor. The other thing I didn't like was the factory steering wheel. Let me show you that. And I didn't like the fact that it was really skinny. Let me show you this one. So here's what the factory steering wheel looks like. It is a multi-function upgrade from the factory. And as you can kind of see here, the diameter, it felt really, I wanted something a little thicker, basically. And so I went with having it rewrapped by a Dallas steering wheel, and then I added the center mark and center line here. As you can see here, the red in red. You can customize it to what you want. You can have a different color, different material. So I also added the thumb, what do you call this, thumb rests up, and then also the two-tone look, as you see here, where it's perforated here. And that cost me, as you can see, actually let me show you some of the picture with the airbag while I'm in this screen here. So. Right, let's see. So something like this, I guess. That's what it looked like. Okay. Let me get back to the spreadsheet. So I paid $634 for that. The other upgrade I did was the suspension called the active suspension controller. That's a pretty common, popular mod. It cost me $1,200. That's an easy plug and play, and the factory suspension has a normal and sports, and with the sports setting, it's way too firm, and this upgrade solves that problem and also improves the ride quite a bit. And the next upgrade I did is the rotors. So as I mentioned earlier, the car does have carbon ceramic brake upgrade, but if you're tracking the car like I plan to, and I have gone a few times, it's way too expensive to track it with the ceramic brake rotor. So I replaced it with the steel, and I bought it used for $1,700. Let me show you some pictures on that. The carbon ceramic replacement rotors are about $5,000 each, and if you track it, they can wear out pretty quickly. So a lot of people switch it to steel and keep the carbon ceramic for resale down the road. Okay, let's go back to this. So this is what the carbon ceramic looks like. So I replaced it with the Brembo Type 3 rotors, as you see here. And again, I did the work myself. This is what the carbon ceramic looks like. And this is the weight, as you see there, 15 pound. The steel is a little bit heavier, but again, it's all because it's the cost of replacement and because of tracking the car. Okay, let's move on to the next upgrade. And is the tune. I bought a used Cobb V3 access port for $1,000 on eBay. Actually, on this, it turns out the car already came with a tune, so I actually haven't installed it yet. So I may sell this back, which I think I can easily sell it for the same price I paid for. Total cost for the mod is $4,700, as you can see here. Total cost for the repair is about $700, and again, the big part of that is because I did the work myself, or else that easily would have been a couple thousand in the repair costs. So some of the and actually now let's move on to the maintenance costs. Actually, let me pause it here.